The dream of large-scale commercial farming will soon become a reality for over 48,000 farming households in the Shire Valley districts of Jigawa and Nsanje after waiting for over 80 years. The government of Malawi, through the Ministry of Agriculture, is constructing one of the largest irrigation schemes in the Southern African region through the Shire Valley Transformation Program. Construction of the first 52 kilometers of the scheme started in April 2020. Over 48,000 farming households will consolidate their land into large-scale commercial farms covering over 43,000 hectares. Here are the highlights from the project.